I want to go ahead and compare these two bad boys because I think these are the contenders that if you're going to have to choose between the 15 Pro Max and the 16 Plus, this is a great video to see because I'm going to give you all the details on why one is better than the other. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between all the iPhones. I have the iPhone 16 Plus right here, the iPhone 15 Pro Max here, and I have a little bedazzled iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's start off with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think this was the very first one that had the 3 cameras and the telephoto lens. This one does have the 12 megapixel ultra wide, the 12 megapixel main, and the 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The battery life is 20 hours. It does have the lightning cable, and the body of it is stainless steel. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes in at 8 ounces. One positive that I will say about the iPhone 12 Pro Max above all the other phones is that this one has a SIM card slot. For someone who travels internationally, like me, I love being able to put a different SIM card in when I am traveling. I go to Mexico a lot, so when I'm there, I want to be able to put my Mexico number in there, and unfortunately, the newer phones do not have that unless you get the international phone that only Apple sells. Sucks, but it is what it is. Now let's get into the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This one has the 5x zoom. This is the first one that comes with the 5x zoom. It has 48. This camera lens has the 48 megapixels, 12 megapixels telephoto, and the 12 megapixels ultra wide. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has 29 hours of battery life. It's made with titanium and it weighs at 7.8 ounces. The iPhone 15 Pro Max was the very first to also introduce the action button at the top, which, let's be real, I don't really use it. I use it for silent. Innovative, right? Not it being dirty. This is the very first phone that introduced the USB-C into the iPhones, and I actually love that feature. I love that I can just take one charger everywhere with me, so ding, this is a positive for this one. Let's go on with the star of the show today, and it is the iPhone 16 Plus. My brother did get the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Might do a video on that if you're interested. I got the iPhone 16 Plus because I was really excited about the pink. However, does this look pink to you? This is purple. Let's get into it. The iPhone 16 Plus has a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 48 megapixel main camera with the flash on the side. This is something new. This is giving like older, right? With the 2, they're going back. Where is Steve Jobs? Because he was the one with the new innovations, because what the hell is happening? This has 27 hours of battery life, has a USB-C. The iPhone 16 Plus does have the USB-C, of course. It is now integrated into all the new iPhones. It has the dynamic island at the top. It's made with ceramic glass. The body is aluminum, weighs less than 7 ounces. And coming in with the newest feature on the 16s is the camera button on the very top to open up the camera. All right, so let's go into the similarities between the 3. And I will say, after doing my research, I only found one similarity that all 3 have, and it is they are the exact same size. They are all coming in at 6.7 inches. That is the only similarity between all 3. Now let's get into which one is better at what. So I will say that the best thing about the 12 Pro Max, the only thing if you're comparing it to the others, is that it has the SIM card slot. So I will say that's the only benefit of having this one. When you're comparing the 2, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to have a longer battery life with 2 hours more of battery life, 29 hours of battery life versus the 27 hours of battery life. I will say 29 hours is a little much. It's exaggerated. That's what it says on Apple. But I will say that 29 hours is like a full day for me, actually, not 29 hours, because I'm constantly on my phone watching videos, answering emails, on social media, on TikTok. I am constantly on my phone, and this one, I will say, if I wake up using it to all the way till the end of the day, I can last up to 5% before needing to charge it at like 8 or 9 p.m. So I will say this battery life is A1. When it comes to cameras, they are very similar, girl. They are very similar. However, this one has the 5x zoom. It does have the ProRes. I don't really use that because I don't know how to use it. You're supposed to connect it to a hard drive in order to use it, but like, who has time for that? When it comes to performance, both of them are extremely similar. Like for someone who is not so techy, you won't really see the difference. The performance is very similar between the two. When it comes down to the refresh rate, this is something that I was trying to truly compare, but I feel like they're very similar. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is just a little bit quicker at refreshing. I want to say milliseconds, but hey, faster is faster, right? Both have USB-C, both have the dynamic island. To me, the 0.8 ounces of difference is non-existent, if I'm being real. I can't tell the difference. So to me, they weigh the same, but this one, I guess it is 0.8 ounces less than this one. I do like the new feature of the camera button. It is very handy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little comparison of the photo quality between the three, and you be the judge. What do you like better? This is in bright light, comparing the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 16 Plus. Night, and some video quality I'm gonna throw in here. This is the comparison of the three. I want you to be the judge of it. Which one do you think is the best? Leave it in the comments below. Which phone of the three would you choose? I also wanted to throw in at the very end some accessories that I'm obsessed with. I did get sent these and I want to show some love because I'm very grateful. If you're a minimalist like me, you're gonna love this. These are from Caseku. They are the Magic Stand. I ended up buying 2 more of the black ones, and I'll tell you why. These are amazing. I love clear. Doesn't turn yellow. I've had this for a while now. It has not turned yellow. Love these stands. The feature of the stand to just keep your phone like this. Girl, I don't know about you, but I love watching TikToks, YouTube while I'm on the toilet, and this is it. This is a game changer for me because I don't have to grab a shampoo, grab a soap bottle, and then prop my phone. This just keeps it nice and steady. It also has helped me so much for creating content. And I will say, these are great. I also got the pink one. The pink one does get a little stained. I don't know why, but I love this pink color. iPhone, why didn't you just do a Pro Max in this color? I would be on it. And it would be my new favorite phone, but I digress. This is the bad boy. This is the bad boy. I absolutely love this one. I bought, and I'm not kidding you, 2 more of these. That's excessive, I know, but it's because I really do love it. I love that it has the 360. Okay, you might be thinking, what the hell? But I love the fact that I can prop this practically straight. And when you're creating content, this is amazing. I took this with me to Europe, and I'm so embarrassed to take pictures or have someone else take pictures for me. So what I did is I actually propped this on the floor and video mode and just posed. I'll insert some photos that I took with this case because I just didn't want to ask somebody to take pictures of me. So this is my go-to phone case when it comes to creating content and of course, watching a lot of content. Next, I would say this charger by, is it Phison or Pison? Phison? I got the 120 watts charger. This is gonna charge your phone so fast, so freaking fast. 120 watts, girl. And you could charge 4 things at once. Not only am I gonna charge my AirPods, I need to charge my mic, I need to charge my MacBook, and I need to charge my phone. And guess what? I could charge them all at once. I'm a multitasking queen. I need to be doing like 5 things at once in order to feel productive. So I do like that. And I also like the, what is this? The charging cable. It's made with this like fabric that hopefully will last a lot longer than the Apple ones. I'm rambling now. Thank you for watching. See you guys all in the next video. Hopefully it's not too long till the next video, but besitos. Hasta luego.